you're not a part of the channel, you should probably hit that subscribe button because I make decent content, so yeah. This is my 2017 86, aka Samantha, aka my own shitbox. But I get a lot of questions about everything I've done to the car, and I definitely want to make a video about like a car check or something along those lines. But this video is specifically about my exhaust setup. Nothing else about my car today, just my exhaust, because I get a lot of questions about how it shoots flames, how it pops, how it sounds, things like that. So you know what? I'm gonna answer every single one of your questions in this video today. And what better way to start it than starting the car and showing you what it sounds like. Probably asking yourself, what the fuck is that? Why does it sound like that? I'm gonna give you guys the whole breakdown on how it pops and everything like that. It's a separate tune, but I'll include that in today's video as well. Probably asking yourself, what exhaust setup do I have on the car? And if I'm being completely honest, this is the best exhaust setup in my opinion. I'm sure someone else is going to say there's something way better out there for $6,000, blah blah blah, but we're broke boys out here, and I did this on a not really a budget. I mean, I just bought what I wanted, and you know, the companies that I did my own research on. So all I'm going to say is, you know, do your research before you mod your car, so you're not just buying pointless modifications on it that you have no idea of what they're doing. Everything that was placed on my car was done, you know, professionally and by someone who knows what they're doing. Obviously me, because I own a chop shop. But again, this is like, in my opinion, the best exhaust setup you can buy for an 86 FRS BRZ that is like aftermarket. It's not like a custom exhaust, because I mean that's completely different. And when I do my custom exhaust, let me tell you, but it's definitely a lot of fun. It's definitely like probably the best 150 I spent for this car that's not like performance related at all. Like there's absolutely no reason for the tune. There's nothing beneficial about it. You gain nothing. You actually lose more than anything, because your gas mileage is terrible on it. But let me tell you, it doesn't fucking matter. This thing shoots fucking flames, baby. Like, flames like this fucking big, and sometimes it shoots O's. But, nevertheless, yeah, so Tomei unequal length headers, stock overpipe, MXP Catless Front pipe, MXP Catback exhaust. I've had it on there now, like this whole setup for about a year. Haven't had any problems with it, nothing cracked. I've heard a lot of people about how their header has cracked or anything like that. I have no exhaust leaks at all, because it's done by a professional, baby. I haven't had any problems. I did my own research. The only reason why I went with MXP and Tomei is because they were companies I really like. Their products, you know, they're a reputable brand, things like that. That's pretty much it. A lot of people think that like I have a whole like, you know, watt box, flame tune and all that. It's really not. It's just a pops and bangs tune and just a straight catless exhaust. I mean, it's pretty simple. I turn on map 3, so if you're ever around or you hear in the videos like map 3, like, so there's 4 maps. Map 1's like my normal driving map, and then there's map 3, and then that's my pops and bangs. The only difference is on map 3, or the pops and bangs tune, it works really well on normal pump gas. When it's on E85, you don't works really well. It does what it's marketed to do. It's really, really loud, especially on startups, like if the car's been sitting like even just a couple hours. I know a lot of people wonder like if it's going to be loud when it's catless, things like that. And let me be the first to tell you, it's stupid fucking loud. But I mean, I like it. So the thing is, like, if you're looking for a loud setup, I mean, this is definitely a pretty good setup for it to be loud. It's not meant to be quiet or anything like that. Now, a lot of people would ask me why I went with unequal length opposed to equal length. Now, equal length, you do get more power through the top end. From what I've been told, it's just more horsepower gains only because it's equal length. And I'm gonna be honest with you, like, yes, I like performance mods over aesthetic and things like that, but I mean, I wanted the car to be as loud as possible. Not really for clout points or anything like that, but I just wanted to fit my personality, so that's really the only reason why I went with unequal length. The reason why I went catless is because I just wanted to shoot flames. Now, there have been some people who make an argument that cats really don't make a difference and stuff like that, but I mean, I just wanted, it was full send, baby. It was either catless or cat in, so I went catless, so it's a fully catless setup, so I can't really complain. I had no problems with it. A lot of people ask, like, is there a drone? Is it annoying? I mean, personally, if I'm being completely honest with you, I don't really pay attention to it, because I'll either be listening to music or I'm talking to someone. But I mean, when I'm just driving and let's say I'm not listening to music, like, I don't really mind it. It doesn't really bother me. You can definitely hear it. Like, it's there, but I mean, I don't really mind it. I mean, some people mind it, some people don't. Like I said, I personally love the setup. It's been great for me. I've had no problems with it. When I get the next 86 I plan to buy, this exact same setup will actually be on the car. So there's really no reason for me to feel or for me to say anything negative about it, because I mean, I absolutely love it. A lot of people tell me they love it. And that's pretty much it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Samantha, my 2017 86. My pops and bangs, shoots the flames, Kung Pao chicken machine. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's my exhaust setup. Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's melting my diffuser. Didn't even, it's the first time I'm seeing that. This side's good. This side, it's been through. I know this video was short and pretty random, but hopefully this answered a lot of questions for you guys that ask me all the time. What's your exhaust setup? What's on it? How does it do that? Why does it do those things? Well, those are your answers, and hopefully it helped you. And if it did, you should hit that subscribe button, because I do make content and it is like decent. So maybe, just maybe, you should try watching another video. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.